Hello and welcome to another Brik tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to create your first voice survey in less than 2 minutes. So let's get started. To start creating your first voice survey, go inside your Brik account and click on Survey Brik. You can start to create a new survey. Now there are 3 ways to create a new survey. Either you can make one from scratch, you can clone another survey, and that's extremely useful when you are launching a campaign to have different versions of the same survey. And thirdly, you can also create a survey from the short survey trust Brik. I'm going to create a survey from scratch for you. So first we have to provide an internal name for the survey, a small description. This is the title that your end customers are going to see. Survey to understand choices. You can give a thank you message, so it can be something like, thank you for filling up this survey, many thanks. You can redirect to your own website. For example, we can redirect to Brik website, and you can also use a redirect counter. How long will it wait before redirecting? This is extremely useful if you want to take the customers to some new launch page after they have completed the survey. Maybe I just reduce this to 3 seconds. Now you have to choose the language. There are a bunch of language that can be chosen for any Brik account. Here we'll just stick to English, and then finally you press create. This will create your survey. Now this survey can have different pages, and I will just add my first page here. If you wish, you can add some short description to the page. For example, this 2-minute survey and win prizes. Now there are a ton of elements that you can use in Brik to create your survey. We are going to start with the voice input. So the question can be, which product do you prefer and why? And you can add a small subtitle saying, we want to hear your voice. And then you can make it a mandatory condition or not. You can allow comments and press done. The moment this has been done, you can generate a preview. This is saying that the survey has yet not been published, which is fair. And yes, here we are with your first Brik survey that has a voice enablement. Your customers will pretty much click on this like this and say, I really liked product A because it has more color variety, which I prefer. And that's it. There's an upload in progress happening. And you have to press the button. It's done. And as you see, the survey for the end customer will also get redirected back to the Brik website. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Keep watching our channel for more such content that help you to make some of the world's best surveys. Thank you.